Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing some product reviews. And here with me is a Baofeng 88S Walkie Talkie. Join me as we unpack this product. Here we have a battery, an antenna, a charger, and the Baofeng Walkie Talkie itself. It also comes with a belt hook and a rope in case you want to hook it on your belt or something. So the same thing we have in this one. We can see the same things here. So we are having two because this item doesn't work in single, right? It works in pair of two or more than two. So you can have two of it, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 40, 20, you understand? Basically, we find security companies using this product. Here we see their officials, security officials in a security company using it to, interact between themselves in a workstation. So we have security official at unit 1 with this item, and then another security official in another unit with this other one. So let's do a conversation with two of them. So it comes with a charger for each of them. You plug this and okay, let me show you how it charges. So when you fix this here, when you fix the walkie-talkie inside a charging stand, the indicator light here shows green, but when you plug it to light, as I'm going to do now, it will turn to red. You can see it has turned to red. If you remove it, it's showing green. Red means it's charged. If it gets filled up, it turns to green. It goes back to green. So this is how to know that it's charging or not. First thing to check is here we have speaker and microphone. So when you open this here, you see a speaker port and a microphone port. Yes, you can use earpiece on this. It has its own special earpiece that you can buy, a walkie-talkie earpiece. So it also has a touch light here, and this is where you on it. When you press this button once, the touch comes up. If you press it again, it starts blinking. If you press it the third time, it goes off. If I press it once again, it comes up again. This is the touch. If I press it again, it blinks. Then if I press it the third time, it goes off. And here is just a give signal here. So now, having plugged this, we are going to use this to communicate with this so that you see how it works. This is on 7. It's on 14 now. This is on 14. So for them to communicate, they have to be on the same frequency channel. So if they are using 10 of them as one security company, the 10 of them must be on the same frequency channel. If they are using up to 20, 40, they must all be on the same frequency channel for them all to communicate. So setting this one on 14 and this one on 14, I just come pick this up, press this button. This button is to speak. The button here, the side by the side where the antenna is standing. So when you press it, the other ones pick the signal. So you can say, for instance, Afriblaze incoming. You have that from this one. So you can say, I hold it again. Alpha company. Over. Station 234. Incoming. Copy that. So the person here can just pick it, having received the information, can just press this one too and say, Roger that, over. You heard that, this one speaking, Roger that, over. So that's how it works. So this particular walkie-talkie can cover up to 3 to 5 kilometers without barriers. What that means is that within a distance of 3 to 5 kilometers, you can still hear what this other person is. You can still receive signal from this other person within. So let's say in an estate, but practically I have tested it within 1 kilometer with barriers in a very clustered environment. I've tested it within 1 kilometer and it was still serving efficiently. So thank you for watching the video. I believe that you get value. So if you know anybody that needs any of these products, a walkie-talkie, maybe for a church, a hotel, a hospital, an estate, so kindly contact us at Afriblaze Digital Solutions and send us a message and let us know, and we can supply. Do well to also leave a comment in the comment section below if you have some questions that you would like to ask me about this product, or you have other contributions that you would like to make concerning this product. Also let me know in the comment section below so that we'll take note of them. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.